show you how you can have a better mac and cheese through science. Pack your bags, because Bridget and I are taking you on a trip to Thailand. We are? Adam's here to show us the best of the buns.
The bun to beat, you might even say.
Vegan mayonnaise is a brand new category.
Oh, wow.
Did I just rock your world?
Stovetop kettles should be so simple, but bad ones are everywhere.
Now let's look at this on a thermal camera.
This is our arts and crafts project. It's like butter art.
French say, c'est bon.
We're going freeform today.
Really? I'm more of a cook than a baker, and I feel like this is a great cook's dessert.
I love watching you chop. The nicest thing anyone's ever said to me. I'm happy that you showed me this recipe.
Glad I could make you a believer.
Finger food at its finest. There's just no dainty way to eat a burger. These are by far the best corn fritters. Hail Caesar! I'm gonna need a bigger bowl. Science is delicious.